Hello friends, a warm welcome to all of you on my channel. So today's recipe is a seafood snack. It's a treat for seafood lovers. We are going to make butter garlic prawns. It is such a simple recipe with few basic ingredients and it tastes so delicious. You watch the video till the end and look at the presentation how we can serve this snack on a Valentine Day. So let's proceed to do that. Take about 10 to 12 prawns or as needed. Clean them, devein them, keeping the tails intact. Here we have 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of crushed garlic, salt to taste, 1 lemon, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder and 1 pinch of orange food color. Ingredients list and recipe link can also be seen in the description box. Check it out. Now let's marinate the prawns first. In a bowl, take all the ingredients except butter. Squeeze out the lime juice. Such small little gadgets are very handy to have in the kitchen. It's very easy to extract little juice of lemon and use it as and when required. Now mix everything together. Add the prawns and coat the mixture very well on them. The marination could be done in the morning. If you are making the prawns at night for your dinner, you can marinate them in the morning and refrigerate them for better taste. Now this is done. Let's cover the dish. Wrap it with a cling film or use a silicone cover like this. This is very handy. They come in different sizes. Now this goes into the refrigerator until we are ready to fry the prawns. Take a wider pan and melt the butter. Do this on the medium flame, stirring it with a spatula. We only want to melt the butter, do not burn it. So as soon as the butter is melted, dip in the marinated prawns. Spread them around in the pan. The remaining marination can be poured over them. Now you can cover the pan with a lid and allow them to cook for a couple of minutes. Open the lid after 2 minutes and flip the side. Prawns don't take very long to cook. They get ready in about 6 to 7 minutes. After turning the side, cover them again. For the other side also, let them cook for 2 minutes or so. You can see even the marination is drying up now, getting soaked into the prawns very well. They taste so delicious with lot of garlic and then they are fried in butter, which adds to the flavor. Now the other side is also flipped. We'll again cook them on low flame for 1 more minute. It's nearly getting done. Now flip the other side again. After turning the side, you can just switch off the flame. The other side will get cooked in the heat of the pan. Once they are done, let's do the plating. You can serve a salad of your choice on the side. Here I've used some julienned carrot and some onion rings. And some greens from my kitchen garden. A little presentation like this makes the platter look more inviting, isn't it? Now let's make it more presentable and appropriate since it's Valentine Day. Cut out a tomato and reverse it other way, making it look like a heart. Secure it with a toothpick and place it on top of the salad. Cute, isn't it? Appropriate for Valentine Day treat. Here we go. Now this is done. Let us take a satay stick. Insert a prawn. Second one goes in the opposite direction. Bring them close together and connect them at the tails. So this makes them look like a heart. Cute, isn't it? Nice way to serve on a Valentine Day. Here we go. So our garlic butter prawns are ready to be served as a Valentine Day treat. So friends, do give it a try. Make these flavorful and easy garlic butter prawns. This is such a quick and easy snack for your parties. So friends, wish you all a happy Valentine's Day in advance. Enjoy, have fun. If you are a new visitor to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications about the new uploads. Here are some videos from the archives. Do check them out. We'll soon be back with another new recipe. Bye. Until then, have a nice day.